Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and having a great day, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is from Ofra Cosmetics, and they recently had their small mystery boxes and their jumbo mystery boxes on their website, and I picked up both so that I can show you what they were, and I will be using some of the products inside as part of future giveaways also. There's just no way I could possibly use all of this makeup. This is the small, and it came in a bigger box. I just opened it up for time saver. So you can see here it's from Ofra Cosmetics. And this is the small mystery box. And this is the large one, and it came in a bigger box. So we'll push that one out of the way, and we'll do the small one first. So it's a nice box, and it just had a pull tab. And the small one was $30. The jumbo mystery box was $59.99. You could find a code out there to save $10. So both of them together were $79, and you received free shipping. The small mystery box guarantees 7+ products with a value of over $122, and the jumbo mystery box is 12+ products with a value of $250. And Ofra Cosmetics has great products, which we all know. So this is the small. The first item that I see in here from Ofra is their, it says Makeup Fixer, a light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. So that's nice. And what I like is that is a pretty full bottle, and it does have a safety seal on the top, so I'm not going to be opening that. And that's just a good, setting spray for your makeup. In here we have a single, I guess this is a shadow. Yeah, oh, this is banana powder. So this is the banana powder, and you can use this in, for your refill if you already have one, or you can put this in a Z palette of some sort. So that's a banana powder. That's very nice. Let's see what this is here. And some of these look like they're small, but these are the sizes that they sell on their site, which is good. This is an eye gel primer, which is nice. I don't know if this has, I guess it really doesn't matter. Doesn't have any specific shade on it, but it looks like it would be pretty universal. And I would say that's not completely full, as you can see, but, full enough. You don't need, for a primer, you don't need to, not like a foundation where you would like it to be full. The next one is a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Wish. So it's a really pretty little pink. It doesn't seem too bright of a pink. And it is the style that is just, you squeeze up and apply it to your lip. I wonder if the primer is the same way, but that's cute. I'm not a huge pink wearer, but let's see what this looks like. I think it's probably the same style. Yes. You just squeeze a little out, and then you can put it on with your finger or a brush. And if I have a sniffly nose, I'm so sorry. I apologize. I think I am actually either still have a little bit of a cold, or I have allergies of some sort. It's just driving me nuts. And then we have a lip liner, and this is in copper. So I don't know if you can see that there. Let me try to put it in. Not really. Does this have a seal on it? Okay, there it is. So this is a pencil, and there it is, the copper. So that's a decent size. So that's pretty nice. What else is on here? Oh, we have an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and that's nice. And the shade is Pasadena. There we go. And that looks like a nice color, and I love Ofra's products. Oh, that's pretty. It goes on very nice. So there's the shade, and that's on my hand. Oh, I like that a lot. And, oops, more sticking here. This looks like a highlighter. It's just, and I struggle with these. I just will cut it. I'm trying to get this glue off. Sometimes they're just glued down so tight, which is great for packaging, but not good to necessarily get into. so we will take that out. And we have a highlighter, and it is Pillow Talk, the highlighter. Oh, that's not going to focus. No. Okay, so that is Pillow Talk. And wow, that's pretty ingenious. They put a little air pocket thing up against it in the highlighter. So when you close it, I guess it helps for breakage. That is ingenious. I haven't seen anybody else do that with products, and maybe they should start. So that's the highlighter. That's like definitely like peachy pink. Very, very pretty. I'm going to put that back. Love that. So we have a highlighter. And what else is in here? An eye palette. So that's going to be probably like a little Z palette thing since it says eye. Oh, nice. So this is, yeah, their eye palette. You can see how this one opens. Let me see out here. Let's try it this way. Let me see if oh, okay. Make it easy. It just slides down, and it's magnetic, and you could put your banana powders or your, if you have 4, I would assume, I don't know if that would hold 6. It might hold 6, but definitely would hold 4, maybe 5 if you wanted to take shadows with you and then use this as a travel. But that's very nice. I like that. I have, I think, 2 other of their Z palettes, and they are very nice. But that one is interesting. I've never seen a small one like that. So in the small, we got a Z palette. We got a highlighter. We got a makeup setter. We got a banana powder individual. We got a lip liner in, what was that, copper? Yes, in copper. And then we got an eye primer, a gloss, a lip gloss in Wish. And then we got the liquid lipstick in Pasadena. So that is, what did they say? They promised at least 7 products. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 8 products there. So that is the small, which is very nice. I'm not unhappy with that at all. That is nice. So then the other one came in a box, and I haven't opened any of these or looked. I just cut the seals on them so that it would be easy to get in. Well, this one has a lot of stuff. And this one has a single, and this is also their banana powder. So that's good. So I can save 1 for a giveaway. Oh, I see some lippies. And this is their long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in Bel Air. I'm looking for some good nudes. And they go on very nice. I like. So that's that one right there. Very pretty. I like that. My dog is driving me crazy. She wants to come up, and I don't want her to come up while I'm filming. And this is a lip gloss in Baby Doll. So that's another like pinky, maybe a little bit of iridescence in there, it looks like, but that's cute. And we have another lip. Still the long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in Charmed. At least out of the boxes, since I did get both, there's not duplicates of shades. Well, that's pretty. That's pretty similar to the first one in the small box. Just, I would say, just a tiny bit lighter, but not by much. I mean, you can see this is like a deeper, but very, very pretty. I'm happy with that. Oh, I see a liner. And we have a lip liner in Baby Doll. I don't know if that's going to come up or not, because it's, yeah, Baby Doll. So you can see the color. Pencil. So that's good, and that looks like it pretty much will go with these 2 ends. And if you wanted like a darker lip, I don't necessarily think that's, I don't know if that's back in style. I know that was a big thing back in the 80s. We got another eye primer, an eye gel primer, which is good. Let's see what this is. This is a little pot, and this is Derma Mineral Loose Powder. And this is White Diamonds. I am not going to, it probably has a cap on it. I'm not going to pull that off. I don't want it. It looks like has a glitter to it. You can sort of see around the rim, a little bit of the shimmer. I just don't want, I just vacuumed, and I don't want that all over the place. Oh, what is this? We have a coffee body scrub. It's Body Derm. Oh, that sounds interesting. I'm not going to open that either. I just, maybe, no, I'm going to leave that closed. I might give that away. We have another one of the makeup fixers like we had in the small box. Once again, a full product, so I'm not angry at that. What is this? Oh, another highlighter. Let me cut into these. It seems like it's a little bit easier for me to get into them. Okay, so this one, and once again you can see the different colors, and this is Beverly Hills. Okay, you can see that. Once again, it has the little, why isn't that one opening? Oh, I'm sorry, just banged the whole camera. Oh, there we go. And once again, it has that little cushion there, but you can see all the different shades. That would be nice just to blend them together and do a highlight. I love. I'm going to leave that little cushion thing because I like that for protection. And what else do we have here? Let's cut into this. Lots of goodies. And I definitely will be sharing these in giveaway. I already have some Ofra. I think with my Ipsy bags, I got 2 Rodeo drives, and I already had a few of the Ofra highlighters. And this looks like a blush. Yes, in Bellini. So we will open that up, and like I said, another one of these here, so there's no damage. So that is the color of the blush, and I love getting blush. And let's see. Oh, it looks like we have a big, yes, we'll just move this box out of the way. Looks like we have a bigger Z palette, and I already have one of these, so I will definitely be sharing this with one of you. I think I got it in my last mystery box that they had, and it just slides down like the one that I showed you in the small one, but this one obviously fits, you know, a lot more. It's magnetized and, you know, closes up. So this is their eye palette. So this is the larger one. So that's very nice. So in a large one, we got the palette, we got the multi-shade highlighter, the blush, the banana powder, the eye primer, the lip pencil, the translucent powder. We got 2 long-lasting full-size lippies, which are easily $20 a piece, a lip gloss, the makeup setter, and then the Body Derm Coffee Body Scrub. So that promised, the large one promised 12 plus products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that gave you the 12 products with over a $250 value. I would tend to think so because I know their Z palette is expensive. We know that these are at least $20. You know, their blushes and their highlighters are expensive. You know, I don't know the price of these items. I would have to, and I will go on the Ofra site and confirm prices of both boxes. This is the large, and then this is everything that was in the small mystery box. And I do believe that these are currently sold out. I don't know if they're going to be getting any more in stock. They were probably available maybe for a week or so, and I wanted to re-show you the lippies. So this is the first one. So they look nice on your hand. They dry down very nice. So that's that one, and that was Pasadena. And then this one, which was Charmed, which was over here. And I love all these. I love nudes. And then this one was Bel Air, right here. So, and sometimes I put a gloss on top. I do have like a chubby stick. I'm trying to think, I don't know if that was Clinique, but it's a super glossy, but it's sort of like it has a little bit of browns in it, so that it really just brings out, it doesn't really alter the lipstick underneath, which is strange because it's very light color. It's not opaque at all, but it just adds gloss. So if I don't want the matte look, I can just throw that on top, or really any, you know, gloss in the similar shade, or lighten it up if it's too dark, but I will definitely wear those. So that is my video for today, and this is the Ofra Cosmetics Jumbo and Small Mystery Boxes. And I would appreciate it if you would leave me a comment below as to what you think about these mystery boxes. And the next time I see them available, sometimes I do post in the discussion tab of my page. As soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll have a community tab where I'll be able to post. I think then you guys get notifications and you see that more often. So do check that every once in a while. I do remind you of my giveaways, and the next time I see these available, I will make sure I post there, or at least mention it in a few videos so you guys might be able to go get them. But giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it really does help the channel with YouTube for growth. And we're so close to, the 500 subscriber mark. And I'm not sure if by the time this airs, if we'll have just reached that. And that is my next milestone. And I have a giveaway for that. And then I already have my giveaways sort of planned, but not fully, for 750 and 1,000 subscribers. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.